Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Pass question in BECE Mathematics. Section A Objectives. Year 1995. Questions 21 to 40. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposed. I am going to be your facilitator. Question 21. If vector u equals 2 on 1 and vector v equals -1 on 3, find 3 times u plus 2v. That is 3 times vector u plus 2v. 3. Vector u equals 2 on 1 plus 2. Vector v equals -1 on 3. Now this equals 6 on 3 plus -2 on 6. So we shall add up the s components. We shall get 6 minus 2, and the y components we shall get 3 plus 6. So 4 on 9. So the answer is D. Question 22. Arrange the following fractions in descending order: 3/4, 5/8, 4/5, and then 13/20. That is 3/4, 5/8, 4/5, and then 13/20. The LCM for 4, 8, 5, and 20 equals 40. 4 goes into 40, 10 times 3, we shall get 30 for here. 8 goes into 40, 5 times 5, we shall get 25 for here. 5 goes into 48 times 4, we shall get 32. 20 goes into 42 times 13, we shall get 26. This implies that 3/4 is the same as 30/40. And then 5/8 is the same as 25/40. And then 4/5 is the same as 32/40, and then 13/20 is the same as 26/40. Since the denominators are the same, that's 40, 40, 40, 40, we shall compare the fractions using their numerators. Descending order means the bigger number will come first. So the biggest among the numerators is 32. So this is 1, followed by 30. This is 2, followed by 26. So this is 3, followed by 25. So this is 4. So the biggest fraction is 4/5, followed by 2, 3/4, followed by 3, 13/20, followed by 4, 5/8. So the order is as in A. So the answer is A. Question 23. How many lines of symmetry has a square? A square has 4 lines of symmetry, as can be seen in the diagram. Question 24. If SY maps into S2Y, find the image of 2.5 under the mapping. SY maps into S2Y. So we have to find the image of 2.5, then minus quarter. S equals 2.5, so we shall get 2.5 over here. And then 2 times Y, Y equals minus quarter. So 2.5 minus quarter will mark into 2.5. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 2. So 1 is half over here. So the answer is B. Question 25. The ages in years of 8 boys are 14, 14.5, 15, 12, 11.5, 13, 10.5, and 13.5. What is their average age? The average age is going to be equal to 14 plus 14.5 plus 15 plus 12 plus 11.5 plus 13 plus 10.5 plus 13.5 divided by the number of boys. They are 8 in number, so the numerator adds up to 104 divided by 8, and this equals 13. So the answer is B. In 26, convert 133 to the base 5 to a base 10 numeral. That is 1, 3, and then 3. Since it's base 5, we shall multiply this one by 5 raised to the power 0, 5 raised to the power 1, and then 5 raised to the power 2, and then add them up. This equals to 1, 5 squared is 25, plus 3 times 5 raised to the power 1 is 5, plus 3 times 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 25 plus 15 plus 3, which add up to 43. So the answer is E. In 27, find the simple interest on 15,000 cedis at a rate of 20% per annum for 5 years. The interest is given by the principal times the time times the rate. The principal equals 15,000. The time equals 5 years. And the rate is 20% or 20 over 100. Now, zeros will cancel out. So, we shall be left with 150. 5 times 20 is 100. So, 15,000. So, the answer is B. Question 28. List all members of the set. S said that S lies between 2 and 8. S is an integer. We shall draw a number line to assist it. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because of the less than signs over here, 2 and then 8 are not part of the integers. The answer is therefore E. Question 29. Simplify 348.94 minus 188.34. That is 348.94. We shall subtract 188.34. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 14 minus 8, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is C. In 30, find the difference between the values of 2d into brackets all squared and 2d squared when d is 3. That is, the difference is going to be 2d all squared minus 2d squared. This equals to 2d is 3 4 squared minus 2, D is 3 squared. This one equals 2 times 3, 6 squared minus 2 times 3 squared is 9. So 36 minus 18. So the answer is 18, which is B. Question 31. The heights of two boys are in the ratio 4:5. The shorter boy is 80 centimeters. What is the height of the taller boy? The heights of the boys are in the ratio 4:5. That's boy 1, boy 2. The ratio is 4:5. Now, the shorter boy has a ratio of 4. So 4 corresponds with 80 centimeters. Therefore, 5, it will give us more. If more, let's divide. So 5 divided by 4 times 80 centimeters. 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 20. So 100 centimeters. So the answer is A. Question 32. Factorize completely 5s1 plus 10ny. That is 5sy plus 10ny. The common factor is 5 and then y. So 5y. Over here we shall get s plus 2n. So the answer is B. In 33, if 13s minus 12 equals 5s plus 60, find s. That's 13s minus 12 equals 5s plus 60. We shall group like items. 13s minus 5s to be equal to 60 plus 12. So 8s for here and then 72. Dividing through by 8, we shall get s to be equal to 72 divided by 8, which equals to 9. So the answer is E. Question 34. The length of a spring when a mass of n kilograms is hung on it is L equals 74 plus 15n millimeters. What is the length of the spring when a mass of 1.2 kilograms is hung on it? We know L to be equal to 74 plus 15n. When n equals 1.20 kilograms, we shall substitute the equation 74 plus 15 times 1.2. Now 15 times 1.2, we shall get 30, and then 15, 08, so 18. So 74 plus 18, which equals to 92 millimeters. So the answer is C. Question 35. In the figure below, triangle ABC is an enlargement of triangle ADE. If magnitude of AE equals 20 centimeters and magnitude of EC equals 10 centimeters, what is the scale factor of the enlargement? Magnitude of AE equals 20 and magnitude of EC equals 10. Therefore, magnitude of AC equals 20 plus 10, which equals to 30 centimeters. Now, the scale factor of the enlargement is going to be equal to magnitude of AC divided by magnitude of AE. AC equals 30 AE equals 20. So we shall get 3/2. So the answer is B. And 36. Which of the normal lines below represents the inequality S lies between 2 and 6? The answer is D. The equal to sign here is represented by the shaded dot over here, and the less than sign here is represented by the small circle over here. Question 37. A cylinder has a radius 6 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. Find its volume. Take pi to be 22/7. The volume of the cylinder is given by pi r squared h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Pi is 22/7. The radius is 6, so 6 squared, and the height is 7. So 22/7 times 6 times 6, 36, times 7. 7 will cancel 7. So we are left with 22 times 36. So 72, 297. So the answer is 792 centimeter cube, which is D. Question 38. The angles A and B in the figure above are corresponding angles, thus B. Question 39. A man traveled a distance of 1.2 kilometers in 30 minutes. What distance can he cover in 55 minutes traveling at the same speed? The man in 30 minutes traveled 1.2 kilometers. Therefore, in 55 minutes, he will travel more. If more, less divides. So 55 divided by 30 times 1.2 kilometers. 5 goes here 11. 5 goes here 6. 6 goes here 1. 6 goes here 0.2. So 11 times 0.2, and this will give us 0.2 kilometers. So the answer is C. Question 40. In the diagram above, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Angle ABD equals 108 degrees. Find the value of y. The angle over here equals 180 degrees minus 108. That is 72 degrees. This is because the sum of angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Since it's an isosceles triangle, the angle over here is as well 72 degrees. Now the angles in triangle ABC should add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, y plus 72 plus 72 should be equal to 180. And therefore, y plus 144 should be equal to 180. Therefore, y equals 180 minus 144, which equals 36. So the answer is D.